Show Samy, the sparrow, happily sharing his food with other birds and animals. He pecks at a pile of seeds and cheerfully distributes them to his friends, who gather around him, chirping with gratitude. Samy's selflessness is evident as he smiles and flits from one friend to another, ensuring everyone has enough to eat. Depict a sudden and fierce storm with howling winds, torrential rain, and lightning. Trees sway dangerously, and nests are destroyed. Birds and animals are huddled together, seeking shelter and safety amidst the chaos. Samy's nest is torn apart, and he's left exposed to the storm's fury. Show Samy's friends, including birds, squirrels, and rabbits, coming to his rescue. They invite him under their makeshift shelter, sharing their own food and providing comfort.